So this is the second video of the Concorde metal construction set. So let's get the instructions, and key part is we're going to start trying to build the tail plane. So I think all the parts of the tail plane are in here, plus this group. So let's see what we need. We've got, I think, we need to get two of these plates. It says 2 plates, 2 diagonal pieces. Let's see, get these out of the box off screen. Oh yeah, we've got some curved. We've got 2 curved pieces. 2 curved pieces there. And 2 smaller triangular pieces. Where are those? Those in the other. Oh, right, they're actually in the other bag. So the parts aren't all together, aren't sort of like broken up together. So I have to go into the smaller bag and get 2 of the smaller pieces. That's good. And then I need 2 normal screws and 2 normal nuts. We don't need too much to put together here. 1, 2, 1, 2. And of course it does help to get the screwdriver that came with it, and the screwdriver and the spanner. So let's see. Now there's not much really instructions on how to do that. I don't find that picture very good. But I think what I need to do is I need to keep these 2 together. And based on that picture there, I think that I have 1 screw that goes in there. And okay, come on, get in. You would have thought, okay, it's in. And then the other, oops, sorry, I had the camera shot there, sorry folks. And then the other slot there. So I've basically got the 2 larger rectangular pieces like this, based on this, oh yes, you can't see. I'm basically trying to follow this picture here. I find this picture a little bit confusing. So I've got these 2 here. So now we just need to put a screw on the back, or a nut on the back. It's just actually, this is quite good actually, because I find the Meccano screws and nuts and bolts, which are much smaller, for my condition with the neuropathy, I find them quite difficult to handle. And then we're going to have to put, we do this, and this goes here, and I'm guessing on the other side. So put that through. Oops. And then the bolt on the other side. Can we have some success here? Oops. Okay, so I think, see, so when this gets mounted, after reading the instructions a bit more, this is one of the last bits that's get mounted, but I think it gets mounted here and here. So this is the tail plane, so we'll put that there. Second part is this part here. So But that's a little bit, now here we have a challenge because I'm hoping that all these curved pieces then are going to be the same, which I'm not so 100% sure. So let's get them. You've got the nose cone pieces. Yeah, that doesn't look like that, so that's good. So put those back together. Yep, it does look like these are all, yes, it does look like these are all the same. There's quite a lot of them. So let's just grab one of them. And then we need 2 of the 30-degree or 45-degree brackets, I think. Yeah, let's call that 35 degrees. 1, 2, okay, and I think here we've just got the same nuts and bolts, so just 2 nuts and bolts. 1, 2, 1, 2, okay. Put those back together. And let's see, looks like these go like this. Okay, we get the bolts in there. And it's actually quite a little bit slippy for me, this, because it's very high gloss. I mean, these are quite, again, if I compare to Meccano, these are really quite chunky. The gauge of the metal is quite, I mean, normally with Meccano, these would be quite thin sheets of metal, but it's not the case with this. I don't know if these are just some type of standard. I wonder if these are really some type of like standard metal plates, or whether or not it's, you have to have lower, you know, to have lower quality metal, they have to be thicker. Or whether or not it's just, yeah, you know, it's just thicker sheets and it's just like, you know, more robust and higher quality. That'll be quite interesting to find out. I mean, certainly with my older Meccano sets, I have to say that I have these curved ones, I have split them. You certainly wouldn't be able to bend these, that's for sure. These are definitely not flexi blades. I have a special plate bender, Meccano plate bender, made from Meccano, but I think it would struggle to bend these. And they've certainly been, the painting on this is certainly, you know, quite thick as well. So I won't tighten those up too much, but that goes there. And then we've got this third one here. So we have 2 plates. It looks like they want to go. Do they want to go like that? I think so. Well, actually, I think I'm going to leave that. That seems to be. I have to study this one because. So I'm going to leave that until the next video. So, okay. So let's wait for the next video to see how far, if I can understand how to do that. Bye bye, folks.